Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring a fantastic accessory for Garmin Fenix 7, 7S, and 7X owners, the PINHEN Quick Release Watch Band Strap. This silicone replacement wristband, designed for both women and men, truly enhances the Fenix experience with its blend of style, comfort, and practicality. The standout feature of this PINHEN band is its quick-release mechanism. For anyone who enjoys customizing their watch's look or needs to clean their band regularly, this is an absolute game-changer. Swapping out the strap takes mere seconds, effortlessly transitioning the watch's appearance from an intense workout to a casual setting without tools. This convenience makes it a highly attractive option for active individuals and those who appreciate versatility. Crafted from high-quality silicone, the band feels remarkably soft and comfortable against the skin. This is essential for a Fenix watch, often worn for extended periods and strenuous activities. The silicone is inherently sweat-resistant, making it perfectly suited for running, swimming, cycling, or any sport where durability and hygiene are paramount. Its flexibility ensures it conforms comfortably to the wrist, preventing irritation or pinching. The robust nature of the silicone also means it can withstand daily wear and tear, maintaining its pristine appearance. Compatibility is crucial, and PINHEN has ensured this band fits the entire Fenix 7 series, the Fenix 7, 7S, and 7X. This broad compatibility means any Fenix 7 owner can confidently choose this band as a reliable replacement or upgrade. The secure fit ensures the watch remains firmly in place, providing peace of mind during challenging activities or daily routines. For those looking to personalize their Garmin Fenix, this PINHEN Quick Release Band offers an excellent opportunity. It's more than just a functional replacement, it's an aesthetic enhancement. The sleek, modern design perfectly complements the Fenix watches. With various style choices available through a good silicone band, it truly transforms the watch, making it feel fresh and new again. In conclusion, the PINHEN Quick Release Watch Band strap for the Garmin Fenix 7 series is an exceptional accessory. Its quick-release functionality, premium silicone comfort, and perfect compatibility make it a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their Fenix experience. It's a durable, comfortable, and stylish upgrade, proving to be a truly valuable addition to any Fenix owner's collection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.